Reading instruction in a digital age, e-books, e-readers, and evaluation. The public education system was built around competition and individual knowledge. If the primary purpose of education is to prepare students to excel, then we need to change the way we teach reading and writing to reflect the skills needed to fully participate in the global economy. Good readers activate prior knowledge, question the text, analyze text structure, create mental images, and summarize. How can we prepare our students to accomplish these 5 tasks when they read if they only practice with traditional texts? We do our students a disservice when we ignore interactive texts such as e-readers as teaching devices. Amazon.com's Kindle is an e-reader that is available everywhere and is relatively inexpensive. The Kindle is not merely an electronic copy of a book. Students are able to interact with and annotate their e-books. How do all these features translate into better readers in the workforce? According to Susan Dymock and Tom Nicholson, perhaps the most divisive issue in reading instruction is whether comprehension is viewed as conventional print reading or as a process that allows for unconventional textual clues, such as images, layout of print, and social interactions to shape meaning. An emergent literacy framework suggests the latter. Good readers know how to manipulate the text to respond to it as they read. What the Kindle offers is the ability to manipulate and respond in ways that can be recorded for the benefit of both the student and the teacher. The note-taking capabilities of the Kindle are useful for students before, during, and after the reading process. They can annotate and underline as they see fit in the digital text, an impossibility with rented textbooks. In a case study performed by Lotta Lorson, the students using the Kindle recorded 5 different types of notes as they were reading: understanding of story through retelling or commentary, connecting the text with their own lives, questioning the text, answering the text, and responding to textual features. Annotating text electronically is as simple as texting, an activity our students find very simple and for which they have already developed a language of abbreviations and symbols that they collectively understand. In this way, students can share not only the text they are reading, but also their thoughts and reactions as they interacted with that text. Others who read the text can see the annotations and can add their own to create a discussion about passages in a natural way. Larson explains from her study that, overall, the notes reflected a sense of spontaneity and impulsiveness as they expressed the voice and mood of the individual reader while revealing an understanding of the story, or expressing a desire for additional information or clarification of the emerging plot. Another feature of the e-books on Kindle is that a reader can see passages that were outlined by other users. This can help students to identify which passages are important or to comment on why they think that passage might have been highlighted. They can interact with others in a way that requires critical thinking without the specific guidance of a teacher. A useful feature of the Kindle is its dictionary and text-to-speech feature, which work together to support struggling readers or ESL students. As they read, students can move the cursor to any unfamiliar words and read the definitions from the dictionary, listen to the word, or listen to the entire sentence. Students are much more likely to acquire new vocabulary if they connect meaning with context as they can with the Kindle. Vocabulary acquisition is one of the 5 recognized crucial components of reading comprehension improvement as determined by the International Reading Association. Although the text-to-speech feature is not pleasant for long periods of time like an audiobook would be, it is crucial support for ESL and struggling readers who need to hear difficult passages to aid in their comprehension. According to Serena Patterson and her co-writers, the e-readers leveled the students' reading disabilities by rendering book choice invisible. Kindle Pros include annotation and underlining capabilities, text-to-speech feature, dictionary, font size, and orientation choices, size and weight, which is similar or lighter than books, reader's place is remembered, and public domain works are free. Cons for the Kindle include its cost of $139 per Kindle. It is not yet a format that is friendly for traditional textbooks, and limited research is available at this time showing its effectiveness. Although the Kindle has some shortfalls, overall it is an excellent addition to the tools available to help struggling readers. It can be used with all ability levels and has the capability to provide differentiation for the same text. Each student can use as many of the features as necessary to understand and relate to what they are reading.